Hello friends, welcome back another video. Today in this video we are going to review parchmentpaper.com. It's a legit product or it's a scam product. You should purchase this product or you should not purchase this product. In this video we are going to cover all the information. So friends, let's get start. First of all, we are going to talk about is this website legit or it's a scam product. Website is no doubt it's a good website, or you can say it's a genuine website. As you can see over here, there are all phone numbers and fax numbers are available, and email ID is also available, so you can contact parchmentpaper.com. Okay friends, now let's talk about it's a worthy product or it's a waste of money product. As you can see over here, there on Facebook page there are 377 reviews. All reviews are 1-star rated and all indicate it's not a worthy product. It's a waste of money product. So our recommendation, don't go with this product. Or any users, or you can say customers who use this product, all says this is a waste of money product. And guys, as you know, this is not our website, so our recommendation, don't go with this product and save your money. And hope now you understand what you have to do. Hope I'm going to end this video here. There is nothing to tell about more on this topic. So our conclusion is it's a scam product, so don't go with this product. Okay friends, bye bye, thank you.